Today, in the morning, when the Commissioner Secretary came to meet us, so he made a call to the Education Minister, and the Minister invited us for a talk. So we came here. So what happened when we came here? The first thing that the Education Minister stated is that the government and the department, they stated that yes, we recognize your service, your contribution to the state for the kids. But as of now, coming to our demand, which means that the government will still study and review the suggestions and the views given by the different associations here in the state, the views and suggestions given by the political party and even by some of the school management committee. And then after they review those suggestions, then they will come to a conclusion, which means that the department at present, they are working to reduce the number of the categories of school. That was what the Education Minister stated. So coming to our demand, the Education Minister, he said that I cannot give you the assurance now whether we will upgrade you or not. It depends on the review committee to be studied by the department and also the meeting with the different stakeholders of the state. So regarding our agitation, we will go to our teachers who are at Malki. We will let them know about the response of the Education Minister, and then we will also contact our friends in Garo Hills. Then we will leave the decision to the majority of the teachers. Because in Fastom, all teachers, they are leaders. We are just the frontline leaders. So the decision will be theirs. Whatever decision given by the majority of the teachers, we will stick with that.
So, interim measure, a few demands were there, increment of salary. So what is it? What is the government's opinion about it?
You see, as of now, the Federation is sticking to its main demand, that is upgradation to the deficit system. If not to the deficit system, at least the deficit pattern, that is the basic pay and DA. If the government can assure the ad hoc teachers that with effect from which date, or we can see with effect from the 1st January also, that they will provide us with a pay scale, so we will be happy with that also.
So no assurance has been given by...
No assurance, because it will be reviewed in the different meetings of the stakeholders. So we will not know what will be the outcome of that meeting, because we have got different association, categories of association. We will not know their stand, whether they will agree with what the government proposes or what they will do also.
So you are not happy with the discussions?
No, discussion, it is good to have discussion. No, it is through discussion also that we can solve the grievances and the problems. So which means the government, the department now, they are studying our demand. So, but till date, they are yet to take any decision. It is not only the matter of the education department, because we also need, we can see here, the chief minister, being the finance minister, to take a decision on this matter also.
So you will be continuing with the protest, or you will wait for the government to respond?
No, it depends on the decision of the majority of the teachers. Whatever message we get from the education minister, we will take this to the majority of the teachers. Let them take the decision.
So when we will be able to know the outcome, whether you will continue to protest?
So today only, now, if we go to the Malki playground and then we contact our friends in Garo Hills, then let the teachers take their decision.